Hello, good morning. My name is Armando Rubio, and today I will be explaining you a linear equation problem. So, according to my problem, it says that 14,100 tickets were sold for a summer jazz festival, and $25 tickets were sold for convenient pavilion seats, and $15 for lawn seats, and the total was 31,000. And how many each type of ticket was sold. So here I will be showing you how and to solve a linear equation. Okay, so right here we have 1,400 tickets, the price of the for the seats, and the total for how many were sold for seats or per ticket. So to begin, I wrote y equals 1,400 minus x. The y and x is the, the price of the seats. X for $25 and y for the $15. So the 25x plus 15, 1,400 minus x equals 31,000. So to solve this, you would have to multiply them both. 15 times 1,400 would be 21,000. And 15x, because there's an invisible 1 right here, and 15 times x would be 15x. However, since it's a negative right here, I have to subtract it. So it would be 25x plus 21,000 minus 15x equals 31,000. Next, I had to divide 25 by 15, which gives me 10. 10x plus 21,000 equals 31,000. Next, I write 10x again, and I have to subtract 21,000 with 31,000. Well, since I get an incorrect number by subtracting 21,000 first, I flip it and subtract 31,000 with 21,000, which in my case gave me 10. And this that I showed you right here was the substitution method to solve it. So x equals 10,000 divided by 10 would equal 1,000. This is one way to solve a linear equation. And the next one is the same thing for y. X plus y equals 1,400, so y equals 1,400 minus x. So it would be 1,400 minus 1,000, which is 400. And this is the easiest way to figure it out, because 1,400 is the answer to the problem. And over here is a chart. I wrote this down just to figure out what numbers divided to would give me the number. And right here, 1,400. So this is what I found. And right over here, 1,000 with 400 right here. And over here is my graph. So for the x and y axis, the ticket price, these numbers right here would be the ticket prices for the tickets. So my red line starts right over here by 1,400, and it goes down past to 1,300 and so on to infinity. And my next one, my blue one, starts between 12,000 and 13,000 and goes all the way up between 21,000 and 2,000. So x would equal 1,000 and y equals 400. The next method of solving a linear equation is the elimination method, and this is how you solve it. You write down y equals the number of tickets sold for $25 and X equals the number of tickets sold for $15. So it would look like this. X 1000 plus 400y equals 1400 because 1000 plus 400 is 1400. Next, I would have to multiply negative 25 times x and y equals 1400. So multiplying the 25 and the x together would give me 25x plus 15 equals 31,000 by multiplying 25 with the 1400, which would be negative 25x minus 25y equals negative 35,000. And to find your solution, you had to divide 25x plus 15y equals 31,000, which was the previous answer I got right here. Then I had to divide 15 divided by what gives me 15? Obviously 10, and because 10 goes into 15 by 5, so it would become negative 10y equals 4,000. So I divide by 10. These two cancel out, and here my answer would be 400. And you do the same thing to solve for x. X plus y equals 1400. So 25x plus 400y equals 1400. And you would do the same to the thing like the last one, but instead you make this 400y a negative, and you have to subtract it by both sides. Since they're both subtracting both sides, these two cancel out, and 1400 minus 400 equals 1000. And the answer for your solution for the question would be 400 tickets were sold for $15 and 1,000 tickets were sold for $25. And there you have it. And that's how you figure out a linear problem by using those methods. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.